A lot of people overcomplicate buying silver, even stacking it. Stacking strategies, all that is great, and it is very important to have a balanced stack and look at all the different opportunities and all that, but that's not really the risk when it comes to silver stacking. Anyone can buy silver from anywhere, click buy, just hold it in your safe or whatever. Selling silver is where the danger comes in. There's no wrong way to buy, but there are wrong ways to sell. Now make sure you go to bullionmax.com/silverslayer if you want one of the best deals out right now. It is the silver starter kit, 5 ounces of silver at below employee pricing, but it's not just any random 5 ounces. We're talking about a Type 2 Eagle. We're talking about the new 2022 Britannias with the security feature. We're talking about some good coins here, but it's below employee pricing. It's only 1 per household and for a very limited time. So make sure you grab this before it's gone. I am working on my own Silver Slayer 15-ounce deluxe silver bundle. I'll be handpicking all 15 ounces, so stay tuned for that, but grab this as well. And actually, one of the coins that's in that silver starter kit, which is the Type 2 Eagles, is going to be the main focus of this video. Before we jump into why this is such an important topic, also make sure you subscribe because I'm picking the 2 winners of my 54,000 subscriber silver giveaway on Saturday. Links in the description. May the luckiest stackers win. So this whole subject started when someone commented talking about actually the starter kit. And they were saying, you know, it's a great deal, but if you try to sell back to them, they're going to rip you off. And I said, yeah, you don't sell to big bullion dealers. You buy from them. You don't sell to them. You have to cut out the middleman. The same exact thing goes for your local coin shop because they still are going to have to resell that coin at a profit if they want to keep their lights on. So you have to cut out the middleman and sell directly to the customer, which means you're going to be selling on eBay. Now, like I said, there's no wrong way to buy, but there are wrong ways to sell. I mean, you could buy from different places to get better prices, and you could buy certain types of coins, but where you're really going to get burnt in your stacking career is when you sell. So you have to be prepared. Now, I did some digging, and we're going to use Type 2 Eagles just for the sake of this video. This is the coin we're going to focus on because there's a lot of premium, a lot of different, you'll see what I mean. So right here, Type 2 Eagles, you could buy it for $40.98 on Pinehurst Coins. Probably one of the best deals for Type 2 Eagles. It also is free shipping, which you got to remember that as well. So Pinehurst Coins right now, that's probably the best place. You could find some other places, slabbed versions. Here's Type 2 Eagle for $50. But basically, you know, that's a good price. You don't want to be paying $25 premiums, $20 premiums. That's just too much. It's going to be very hard to get that back. Remember, especially if you're trying to resell, and if you sell to a third party, they're probably going to give you below spot, unfortunately. So let's look on Amazon. Another thing is a lot of people try to buy silver at the same places they buy their shoes and clothes and watches and stuff. And that is not good because if you look on here, American Eagles are going for $50. $50 on Amazon. That's a $25 premium. Eagles used to be $2 or $3 premiums. And I'm not exaggerating. Eagles were the most plain standard bullion coin. Nothing special, $2-3 over spot tops, and now we're seeing them for $25 premiums, and that's because silver's scarce. That's because the U.S. Mint is in a lot of mess with trying to find silver blanks. To keep moving on, let's go to Appmex, because this is what that comment was talking about, trying to resell to these big bullion dealers, and he was talking about how they're going to rip you off. Well, yes, remember, they have to also resell those same coins to their customers and keep their company open. So there's a button right here that says sell silver to us. Now, some of these coins will actually tell you what price they'll buy back for, but I could not find a price for these Eagles. But I assume it would probably be $1 or $2 under spot. To be honest, it would probably be $1 or $2 under spot. $23, $24, they'll buy it off you when you could sell them on eBay for $40, even $45 if you want to be mean and rip someone off. So that's the thing. It's all about knowledge, all about education. Imagine someone never watched this YouTube video, right? They just sit in their house Right, let's say a friend told them to buy silver, so they just been buying it, but they don't want to learn anything, or they think they know it all because maybe they watched a couple videos or read an article, so they don't know about the difference between eBay and local coin shops and Amazon. Imagine how dangerous that is for them, that they one day decide, hey, I have some emergency bills, or my car broke down, or a hospital bill, so I got to unload some silver. And without even thinking, he just says, yeah, I've been buying my silver from Appmex, so I'm just going to sell it there. Or he's been thinking, I just buy all my silver from my local coin shop, I might as well just sell it to him. Selling to the middleman, he's going to get ripped off. And it's not their fault, it's his fault, because he had a better opportunity somewhere else, but he just didn't take advantage of it because he didn't take the time to research. You watching this video has just put you at an advantage now beyond, and that's why I say watching, silver stacking videos on a daily basis is important, because we're always covering new up-to-date things. So you just gotta be careful and be educated. Educate yourself. It could even go as far as an emergency silver stash. If, let's say, a hospital bill did arise or your car did break down, do you know what silver you would sell first? Or it could go as far as some coins should be sold at different places. You can sell generics and just bullion, silver, just for the value of the metal content, not any type of collectability factor to it. You could sell that to your local coin shop. I wouldn't recommend selling on Appmex or selling to Appmex, because you still have to do the shipping stuff and all that. Sell to your local coin shop, right? Cash in hand right there. You don't have to pay the PayPal fees, the ePay fees. You don't have to do the shipping costs and all that. You can just dump your silver on the table and walk out with cash right then. But when it comes to coins like a Type 2 Eagle, pandas, kookaburras, koalas, all these types of coins, you're going to want to sell online. Remember, cutting out the middleman, and also because these coins have collectability. Local coin shops, probably even Appmex, I've never even tried to sell a high premium coin there, but they're not going to look at that coin as a collectible coin. They're going to look at that coin as 1 ounce of silver. My local coin shop owner, I interviewed him, he even says that. He doesn't care how pretty that panda is or any of that. He's buying the 1 ounce inside of that coin, not how pretty it looks, not how cool it looks. Now, if it comes down to like a Morgan or some type of numismatic or even semi-numismatic coin, to that degree, he'll bust open the red book, and he'll look at what that coin is usually going for. But when it comes to these newer semi-numismatic coins like pandas and the new kookaburras and all that, he's just going to pay the same price for that coin as he would any other random ounce of silver, because he's buying the metal content inside of it. And that's why you do not want to sell to those people, because you can get your money back and some if you wait long enough for those semi-numismatic coins to appreciate in value on eBay. But if you aren't someone that is watching this video, you'll never know that. So I want to pass the question on to you. If you've ever sold silver, where do you sell to? Is it your local coin shop? Is it eBay? Is it Amazon? Where? And I would say selling on Amazon is the best way to maximize your profits, because you can sell these Type 2 Eagles for $50. But morally, I don't think that's right. Yes, investing is all about maximizing our profits and potential, but me knowing that if I sold my Type 2 Eagle to someone for $50, they are probably not going to make their money back. Now, yes, you could justify and say, well, they're going to pay $50 from the next guy over, but still, knowing that silver I'm about to ship to this person, I'm ripping them off, basically, I can't. My job as a YouTuber is to help you guys get the best deals, and that's why, this starter kit is something I push so much, and that's why the deluxe Silver Slayer bundle is something I'm so excited about, because it's only going to be available to people directly intertwined with this channel. Only we will have the link to that site with that amazing deal. But it would be hypocritical for me to be saying, helping people stack silver and get a good price, and then in return selling silver and ripping them off. You could do that all you want. That's on you. All I'm saying is I wouldn't feel right doing that. I like fairness. I would want to give someone a fair deal. It's not all about money, money, money. Especially that person's a silver stacker, right? We are all in the same boat. We all share the same passion. and I just don't feel right. Yes, that's the best way to make the most money, but at what cost? So anyways, yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here. What do you think about that, by the way? Let me know what you think about that weird area where you know you could make more money, but you're ripping that person off. Would you do that? Have you done that? Or do you think it's not right? Let me know. That's a very interesting question. And I never really thought about it. I always tell people don't buy the $50 Type 2 Eagles. But when it comes to selling, would you ever sell that $50 Type 2 Eagle and make, it's just a weird area that I don't really like, but maybe it's just because I'm a silver YouTuber and I try to help people all day. But yeah, let me know. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you go check out the bullionmax.com/silverslayer starter kit. And also stay tuned for the deluxe bundle, and make sure you are subscribed and go enter my giveaway. May the luckiest stacker win. Thanks for tuning in to Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.